Hello, 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 hello. Good evening, guys. Good evening. How are you doing today? Good evening, good evening. You guys are welcome. Good evening. How are you? How are you? How are you guys? Today, I'm going to show you how you can repair your face. So, good evening, YouTube. Good evening, TikTok. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening. You guys are welcome. Good evening, good evening. So, this is hot water, as you can see. Not too hot water. This is the hot water we are going to use to warm our face. This is the towel, the white towel. This is the Vaseline to massage it. We are going to warm it. Lukewarm, not boiled water, oh guys, it's your face. It's just lukewarm. Or you can easily put the towel in a microwave to do it. But I prefer the not too hot, is your face, right? So this is the Vaseline. And later, we are going to use this bandage to bandage here after massaging it. So let's go. So I'm going to use the towel. You have to use clean towel, new towel, because it's your face for hygiene. It's a little bit quiet. Let me play something at the back. So, good evening, everyone. You are welcome. Thanks for joining. I'm just showing you the tips, what I always do for my face. You know, today I didn't put filter, guys. This is my real face. It's my real face. Okay. Just a minute. Let me put something at the background. It's a little bit quiet. You guys are welcome. Welcome. Welcome, everyone. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Thanks for passing by. Wahala you. So, just a minute. Let me put something at the background. Good evening. Today I'm going to show you my secret why my face is like this. You know, the last time we do the massage, why I didn't do the complete theory, the complete thing. So now I'm going to show you what I always do. Let me just put gospel soft one. I do not own a copy to this song for YouTube. Just using it to do this content. So use clean white towel. This is the hot water, but not too hot. Don't make it hot so you say, Mariam I burn my face. She make me to burn my face. No. Just lukewarm water, guys, that you can put your hand. You don't feel anything, right? So now we'll use this one. It's not too hot, like this. Because we always catch cold from this side. It always full. You put your hand like this. Don't use too much hot water, yeah? Like this. Leave it for like 1 minute. You do like this. Try to bring your cheek a little bit up, because the water is not too hot like that. So let me put the whole. Use clean white towel. You hold it like this, guys. Like this. Try to lift your chin up. Like this. Not too hot, guys. Loop water that you can comfortably put your hand in. Just a little bit heat, yeah? So you have to lift your chin like this. So like this, you cool. You see your face, the pores will be open. So when you are massaging it, clean white towel, guys. Ensure that you take every your earring and your, if you're having necklace, jewelry on. Not too hot. Oh, she's very comfortable because it's your face. Lukewarm water. You warm your cheek. Just like when you have cold. You know, some people always do like that. They'll be warming their cheek because here always, like, with the ladies, everyone, if you put on weight, you have like two chin under, you have the cheek and double. So always try to warm it. You warm it for like 10 minutes. The water is not too, very comfortable. Just for the heat. You guys are welcome. Good evening. You are welcome. Today, I'm showing you how you can repair your face. Not with surgery. Oh, this is manually, right? Use loop hot water. Later, you can press it up. The towel is really cold. It's cold. You press it up like this. Press it, ladies. Wipe your face up. Always, guys, you know, when we rub cream, we always put it down. Learn to be rubbing cream in your face up so you can lift your cheek. So now we are done. Lukewarm. You see the way my face is. See, all the pores is open. Not hot will loop up. You can put your hand comfortable in. It will not give you all this thing. Yeah. So now we are coming to use the Vaseline now to do the work. The pores is open now. So you massage it up. Bring your cheek up. very, very good, ladies. You know, if you do your face like that, men, see, because I warm it, it's down. So if you keep on doing it like two times in a week, you warm it, you know, this your cheek, I told you yesterday, it will come down. So you massage it up, because you know, when you are 40 upwards, you know, when you are sleeping, this one always will do like this one will do like this. So always your cheek, the one will be down. So you know, the last time I do it in a video, but I decided to come live because on YouTube it's now 5K. He really helped people. People are saying I'll try it. I'll try it. You can also follow me on my YouTube. Guys, I need please, guys, I want you guys to follow me on my Facebook. I have a task of having 23 followers for me to move to another level. If you're on this live, please go and check my Facebook. It's the same name. You will see me there with my wedding dress. So you see, you massage it. Massage it. This is the first face, eh? Now my face is really hot, you know, it's really hot. My blood is flowing. You put cold one again. Massage it. You always tense. If you always do like that, guys, your face, you look fresh. It prevents you not to have all these pimples. You use your, like this. It's a little bit. It's a little bit pain, but the more you do it, the more it become nice. You get used to it and your face will be free. You know, if you do it, guys, you sleep like a baby because our face is the most. So you will add another Vaseline. Yeah. So now you can massage your temple here, because sometimes we think, we stress, here is tense. So you massage here softly. It can make you feel you relax. You say "Usa." You breathe in and out. You take the tension from your mind. So you remove stress. Do it like this. Later, massage here. To fix here. It's very important, guys, to massage your face. You can come a little bit here. This one, you bring it down, right? Spin. You use the side of your hand like this. Guys, you do it like this. Sometimes you guys see my on your face. That's the way I always do. Massage it. Support it with the two hands. You lift it up. Lift it up. You use this back of you, do your hand like this to massage here, your neck. You know, when we sleep, sometimes we sleep one side. In the morning, you feel the tension. Feel the tension of your neck. You release the vein. It's really hot. You do it, we add Vaseline 3 times now because it's hot. You take another one. The Vaseline is very, very good for our skin, guys. Very good. You see, because I did it 5 days ago, it's not pain anymore. After you warm it with a lukewarm, not hot water, or lukewarm water. Not too warm, not too cold. You know, it release. You use this your thumbprint to massage here. Last 5 days here was tense. You see, when you warm it, when you warm it, see, now it's free. It doesn't pain anymore. Last 5 days, it was really tense. See, that's why you need to warm it with loop hot water. It's really relaxed. Very, very relaxed. You don't feel pain. Only the first day you can really try to massage here so you can get this your cheek back, because sometimes this cheek it grow to something else here, you know. So always try to. Good evening everyone, you're welcome. Today we are doing massage, how you can repair your face. Because sometimes we are working, we don't have time to treat our face. We just do makeup and stuff like that. You don't massage it because all those makeup has chemical. So always use hot water with white clean towel, clean one, not the one that you use for your body. And also I will say, if you are having pimple, do not use your towel you bath with on your face, because the bacteria make the pimples not to go. Always have special towel. You warm your face. You leave it when you want to sleep. You leave it. You warm it. You just rub Vaseline and go to bed. Pure Vaseline. It is very good because when you have pimples, you are using the same towel you use for your body. The pimple will never go. It will continue growing, circulate, spread. See, my face is very relaxed now. Very, very relaxed. The cheek also, it's relaxed. If today is your first time, you are welcome. We'll do 2 videos. This one, and I will come back later after we finish. So apply the Vaseline 5 times. This is the last one. Guys, this is the last one. It's very, very, all the gallop in your face, you see, very smooth. All the gallop, see? The gallop is gone because you warm it with hot water, you clean your face very well, and you use the Vaseline to massage all this delicate side, your neck here. After you finish, you doze off, guys. If you massage your face, right now I'm feeling sleepy. You will doze off. So always use very clean towel, white. You use the loop hot water, white clean towel. Not the one you use for your body. Say you want to do this method. No. You use loop hot water. You do this thing. Then you use the Vaseline, pure Vaseline, to massage your face. After you finish, guys, you sleep like baby. You feel so relaxed. You'll be sweating inside. Because our face is the most delicate. You can see now, no gallop, because sometimes our face is tense. It's very tense. Guys, the bandage I have is not so you bandage it like this for your cheek. This bandage, we are going to manage it, guys. I didn't see the other one I have is for leg. I even just managed to see this one. You bandage here. So this cheek, you bandage it like for, if you can be comfortable, you can sleep with it in the morning, guys. You will see So, like this. So this side can go down if you are very very comfortable, guys, because here always give us two cheek. Because imagine, see, when I put this one, you can see my face, you can see my cheek. Not too tight to, it's your neck. People that do their face, they always bandage here. It's not enough to do rounding. We should have done it, So that is the theory I told you. First, use white towel. It's really wet now. Clean white towel. You use loop hot water and the Vaseline, and you massage your face the way I do. So I will not make this video too long. We'll come back later. I'll come live later. So today we are going to do the live like this. So I don't want you guys to say what happened with your neck. For people that will join later, you leave it like that. So this side, to try to get enough, you put it not too tight, you sleep with it. You see in the morning, this side will go in, it will go inside. You start seeing your cheek out, because a lot of us, when we put on weight, we see our cheek growing. So that is the theory I told you. My YouTube people, follow this theory. It's going to work for you like magic. Ensure you take your earring and your jewelry out when you are doing it, so you can able to massage your neck part. So this one is to put this extra cheek inside. So you do it like that. If you are really comfortable, you can sleep with it. It is very very good. It can restore, it can make your throat a little bit, like when you are walking, trying to give catwalk, you stand straight, confidence. So I'll be right back so we can do our normal video. Thank you all for watching. So this video will not be long, so I can able to put it on Facebook. I send request there. So thank you all. See you later. See, this my friend is asking, Michael, I'm doing facial. I don't want to add video now. Okay, see you later. Bye. Thank you. So this is my face. Every time I will put in filter just to give eyelashes and eyebrow. So this is me. This is me, my face, my real face. Okay, guys. See you in a jiffy. Let me off and come back. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. See you. Bye.